In the heart of a whimsical forest, the sun peeks through the foliage, signaling the start of a new day. A symphony of nature's music greets the morning as the forest stirs from its slumber. The birds, the maestros of this orchestra, announce the dawn with their melodious songs, while the rustling leaves provide a rhythmic accompaniment. A soft gurgling sound, like a baby's laughter, can be heard as the forest stream joyously leaps over pebbles and stones. In this enchanted setting, we meet our main characters, a curious rabbit with ears twitching in anticipation of the day's explorations, a shy squirrel timidly venturing out from the safety of her treetop home, and an adventurous butterfly ready to dance on the wind, painting the air with vibrant hues. As the forest fully awakens, our characters, the rabbit, the squirrel, and the butterfly, set off on their daily adventures, unaware of the bond they're about to form. As the day unfolds, our forest friends find themselves crossing paths in the most unexpected ways. Imagine our plucky little rabbit hopping along when he spots a squirrel trapped in a thorny bush. With a swift, brave leap, he manages to free his new friend. Now, picture the squirrel and a vibrant butterfly working in tandem. They scurry and flutter, using teamwork to gather berries and nuts from the highest branches, sharing their bounty in mutual delight. And then, there's the butterfly, guiding the rabbit through the undergrowth, revealing a hidden, enchanting part of the forest. A place where the sunbeams dance through the leaves, casting a magical glow on everything below. Through these unexpected encounters, they form a bond, a connection that grows stronger with each shared experience, each act of kindness. As the sun begins to set, our forest friends have not only survived the day's adventures, but also discovered a bond that transcends their differences. Under the starlit canopy of the forest, our forest friends gather, basking in the warmth of their newfound friendship. Here we see a rabbit, a squirrel, and a butterfly, each as different as can be, yet bound together by a bond stronger than any other: friendship. They've shared laughs and adventures throughout the day, each one adding a new thread to the tapestry of their camaraderie. Despite their differences, they've discovered a unity that transcends their individual traits. The rabbit's speed, the squirrel's agility, and the butterfly's grace, each contributing to their collective strength. They've learned that they are stronger together, that their unity is a force to be reckoned with. This bond, this friendship, it's a beacon of hope in the forest, a symbol of unity in diversity. As the whimsical forest settles into the silence of the night, the rabbit, the squirrel, and the butterfly, each with their unique charm, have found unity in their diversity, a powerful testament to the magic of friendship.